How to create Shopify email templates. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create templates or email templates, I should say, for your Shopify store and your Shopify email marketing. So let's actually get started. Now, this is going to obviously help you promote your products in your store, basically in general, for your Shopify. It's going to allow you to just, reach more people and also score more sales. So this is going to help you a lot. So let's actually get started. So we are going to be using Shopify emails for this. So let's actually go ahead and install it. We can just go to apps and we could just go to our app store, very simple. And then from there, we can just go ahead and look for Shopify email, and we should find it to be right here. So you can see free to install Shopify email. We can just click on it. You can see all about it here, that it is going to be for email marketing, and you can see the features and everything that is going to give you. And it's very, very great. So let's actually go ahead and just install it. We just click on install. We can just exit out of here now. We don't really need it. Confirm our installation. And we should be done with the installation process. Just give it some time and it should be up and running. Okay, so here you go. Sorry. So once you start, you should find with yourself within this section here. Now you've got templates, settings, and here you get either to create automations or create campaigns. Now you can actually just get started by creating a campaign, and then we will just need to set up a few things here. So we will need to first add a logo if you have a logo that you want to add. I'm just going to use this picture. It's not necessarily my logo or anything. I'm just going to use it for the sake of this example. So it should load in. Okay, great. So now that it has loaded in, we can just go to the next part. By the way, here's the example email. This is how it's going to look like, but obviously we can change it up later on. And all of these things are basically adjustable, so we can adjust everything later on. So store name, we can just give it a name. There you go. I think that's just going to work. And then here is going to be the font. So if you want to change the font, we can do so. Same goes for body. Here's going to be the text. Buttons and links, button labels and outlines. And you can see the rest of the elements here that if you want to change. So if you want to change the background, you can do so from here. And you can actually see that it is changing. These two have been changed, and we can also change the black one, so it is a little bit so we can change it to a different color. So it's very easy and simple right now. It's just going to be the customization options, and also for the footer, if you want to change the color for the footer, we can do so. Same goes for the buttons and everything, so we can do a red aesthetic or anything if you want. Let's just keep it as that and move forward. So once that's done, we can just go ahead and click on save. This is going to be our campaign. And now that it is saved, we can just click on next on the top right. And now we can actually choose a template. Here is going to be where we actually can create a template for our Shopify emails. So here, select the template that you like, and we can actually get started with the editing. So for the templates, you can have templates for new arrivals. So if you have just released a new product, if you want to start from blank, you've got restock, express checkout, discount, all sorts of email templates that you can choose from. Or we can just go ahead and start with blank, and then from there we can actually save another template, and we should find it under the your templates section here. So for the time being, let's actually just select one here. So let me just select a very simple one. Let's just do new arrivals. I'll just check it out real quick. It looks great, and we can just go ahead and click on select. And now it's going to take us to the editor where we can obviously edit the emails here. Upgrade to send emails. Obviously, you would need to have an actual plan. But regardless, here the first thing before we even edit the elements here, we can edit who we want it to send it to. So if we have segments, we can create segments from within our Shopify admin. This way you can divide who your subscribers are. So for example, they subscribe from your campaign or whatever. Maybe you can segment your subscribers so you know who you are sending it to. We can edit the subject, which is very important. So just write something very clean. And then here you can see if you want to add preview text. Again, we can just add anything in here. Obviously, just make sure the subject is very, very attractive, because people are just going to see this as the first thing. So here you can see also the from. You can adjust the sender. And now we have our section builder, or how to actually edit things out. So it's very simple and easy. You just click on whatever you want to change, and it's going to show you the options for it on the right side. For example, this section, which is the header section, you can see whether you can want to add a logo or store name. We can change the logo and change also the logo size. So for example, I want it to be a little bit smaller. Maybe not that small. Okay, let me just keep it as that. And then we can just also change the alignment and stuff. If you want, you can completely hide it if you don't want to show the header. Now, same goes for here. If you want to actually go ahead and change the text, we can just simply add new text in here, and we can also make it bold and just play around with the italics, bold, and stuff. So for this, we can also change the text color by just choosing the actual text color, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and select this, take it back to being, I did white, but it just turned black, but I'm just going to keep it as black. We can also change the font here and alignment and stuff. Now for the products, you can actually go ahead and click on the product sections, and we can just go ahead and click on add products, and now it's going to show you the list of all the products that you have, and it's going to be, you're going to be able to select them and use them. Now I don't really have any products for in this store, but it's very simple. Just click on it and click on add, and it's going to be done. It's going to show up in here. Same goes for the other one here. And you can edit the price and stuff. It's going to be obviously added. You can just make sure that it is visible or not. I'll just keep it on, and then you can also have like individual buttons for each product, so you can make them visible or not, completely up to you. Now for this section, you can make it one column, so only one product, or two, or even three. Image style, you can make it square and all of those things, and basically it's just very simple editing for your templates here. So you can just simply edit the entire template, and you can just go ahead and actually move on to review and complete it. Now I can't really do that because I need to pretty much upgrade to do so, but this is pretty much how to create your templates. And then from then, if we just exit out of here, and let's say we want to actually create another one, so we can just go to templates, we can create templates, we can go to your templates, and it actually should be in here after you're done with it. So you can actually have your own templates in here. It is ready to use. You just obviously need to adjust a few things to match the new email, and that's pretty much it. That's how to create an email template for your Shopify email. It's very easy and simple. It doesn't really take a lot of complicated stuff. It's very easy. So I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.